Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix audio service cannot start with the error code is 0x80070005 access is denied. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all in the search box type of services, right click run as administrator, find out a Windows audio, here a Windows audio, open it, go to your logon, select a system local system account, click on allow service to interact the desktop, click on apply, click on OK button and close it. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I am sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type open a registry, edit it, right click run as administrator, open a registry editor, select a HK local machine, expand it. After doing this, select a system and expand it. After doing this, select a current control set and expand it. After doing this, select a services and expand it. After doing this, find out a audio. Now select the audio SRV, right click, click on permissions. After doing this step, select the add, click on advanced options, click on find now. After doing this step, find out a system, select it, click on OK button, click on OK, and make sure that full control and read is allowed. After doing this step, once again click on read it, add it, go to your advanced, go to your find out, select find out administrator, click on OK button, OK, and make sure that allow on both full control and read, and click on apply and OK button. After doing this step, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.